Welcome back to our channel, foodies. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of gyoza, those irresistible Japanese dumplings. But before we get cooking, let's uncover some fascinating unknown facts about gyoza that will leave you hungry for more. Did you know that gyoza actually originated in China? That's right. Gyoza, or jiaozi as it's known in China, made its way to Japan in the 17th century. Since then, the Japanese have put their unique twist on this savory delight, making it a beloved part of their cuisine. Here's a fun fact: traditionally, gyoza is often served in sets of 6. Why 6? Well, in Japanese, the number 6 is pronounced roku, which sounds similar to the word for luck. So, eating gyoza in sets of 6 is believed to bring good fortune. Talk about a tasty superstition. One of the secrets to a perfect gyoza lies in its texture. The ideal gyoza should have a crispy bottom, known as yaki gyoza, while the top remains soft and juicy. Achieving that perfect crunch requires a unique cooking technique, pan-frying the dumplings to perfection before adding a bit of water and steaming them. It's this delicate balance that creates a mouth-watering experience in every bite. Here's another fascinating fact: gyoza has its own special way of eating. Traditionally, gyoza is served with a delicious dipping sauce made from soy sauce, rice vinegar, and chili oil. But here's the kicker: you're supposed to take a gyoza, dip it into the sauce, and then place it directly onto your spoon. Finally, you savor the combination of flavors in one delightful bite. It's a small but significant ritual that enhances the gyoza experience. Gyoza isn't just a one-trick pony. While the classic pork filling is undoubtedly popular, gyoza offers endless possibilities for customization. From shrimp and chicken to vegetarian and even dessert fillings, gyoza can be tailored to suit various tastes and dietary preferences. So, whether you're a meat lover or a veggie enthusiast, there's a gyoza waiting for you. And there you have it, foodies, some fascinating unknown facts about gyoza that'll make you appreciate this delightful dumpling even more. Thanks for joining us on this flavorful journey today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gastronomic adventures. Until next time, stay hungry and keep exploring the world of food.